Using Apple TV Plus gift cards is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to redeem your gift card and enjoy your subscription. Step 1. Check compatibility. Ensure that your device is compatible with Apple TV Plus. You can use Apple TV, iPhone, iPad, or compatible Smart TV. Step 2. Open the App Store. On your device, locate and open the App Store. This is where you will redeem your gift card. Step 3. Sign in. If you are not already signed in, enter your Apple ID and password to access your account. Make sure you are using the account you want to apply the gift card to. Step 4. Redeem the gift card. Scroll down and find the option to redeem a gift card. You can either enter the code manually or use your device's camera to scan the code on the card. Step 5. Confirm and start watching. After redeeming the gift card, confirm that the balance has been applied to your account. You can now start enjoying Apple TV Plus content. Now you are ready to enjoy your Apple TV Plus subscription. Happy watching!